All right, so I missed yesterday and Monday. Didn't trade those days, but I did analyze. But so for today, it's the 17th, Wednesday. Placed a few trades. Actually, let me go back. Oh, where's the other one? Oh, place two. Oh, there it is. So my bias for today was sells. I had sells going. Originally, what my bias was looking into the coming into the markets this morning was I want. Let me these first. Scaled out. Saw price create this higher low right here, but considering we're at this area where price genuinely cannot break through, I was bearish. Although swing structure is bullish, internal structure is bullish. I was bearish. Counter swing, counter internal. So I entered kind of early, as I did see um like look not look it wasn't really liquidity here being built. I just entered on the small wicks and the rejections. This I did enter off of right here. This strong push up then closed back into the range I entered off of, this candlestick right here. Did exit here though, as I saw price push all the way back up. Then I entered again for this trade once I saw close price push all the way back up, then close back in the range. But I'm like, yo, I need to be patient. I patiently waited, saw price tap this area, saw price push all the way up, tap this area. Once it got here, all you see is a fat drop down. The whole 5 minutes was just dropping. I'm like, all right, I see liquidity got swept here. Liquidity, whatever liquidity was here, got swept. We see a mitigation of this supply zone again. Supply zone that price cannot seem to break, even on the hourly we see, and we're also in the supply zone of this huge supply zone. So we're zoning in on the from the 4 hour to the 1 hour supply and demand, and seeing these zones. And yeah, we done see a breaker structure around here. Price push all the way down. Now it's pulling back up, but just gonna let this trade play out. Usually when I back test, I don't touch my trades, so this isn't gonna be any different. Not gonna touch this trade, just gonna let it move. I'm gonna journal, take screenshots, and yeah, just let this trade play out. If I get swept out, I get swept out. But that's basically it for today. I do anticipate price getting here. Why here? Because this is the nearest place where liquidity was built. We see how price came stopped here, pushed up, stopped here, pushed up again. And this overall is also an area where price stops at a lot. You can see on the hourly. See on the hourly right here, price stops here a lot. Stop, came up here, stopped, pushed up, pushed down, came up, stopped, pushed up, came down, stopped, came pushed up, came down, stopped, pushed up. Now we're expecting it to come back down. But yeah, so do I think price will push above this area? Probably. But for now, for New York session, I'm not expecting it to really push up above this area. I'm expecting a pull down back here. Then we could see Asian session or something, sweep lows, then push all the way up, and then we could see what happens. But I am expecting price to get down here at least before pushing up. But that's basically it. 3 trades, but working on dialing in on my entries. These entries weren't the best. I could have been more patient. On these entries. As there was still liquidity up here, the price wanted to just sweep here and then come all the way down. If there's more liquidity up here and a supply zone up here, come up, then sweep down. But it's all part of the game. I'm gonna journal and yeah, see you guys tomorrow.